Thousands of people lose money every year to fake H-2B job offers. But today I'm going to show you exactly how to verify if a job is real before you apply. How to verify real H-2B jobs. Follow these steps to avoid scams, protect your money and your future. Start with official sources and records. If you saw my last video, you already know scammers are sending fake contracts that look completely legit. Remember, logos and badges can be faked. Now let's break down how to protect yourself, step by step. Pause and verify before taking action. Slow, careful checks will save you. These steps are your shield. First thing, search the company name on Google. Look for official website, business address, real photos, reviews. Look for a physical street address. Does maps show a commercial building or a house, an empty lot, an apartment complex? While you're on search results, look for what other people say. There should be traces online if they've hired people. No reviews at all can be as suspicious as a flood of bad ones. If you can't find anything, or it looks fake, that's your first red flag. Look at the email they contacted you from. Real companies use emails like, if you see, Gmail, Yahoo, WhatsApp only, be careful. That's how a lot of scams start. Inspect the email signature, full name, job title, a direct phone number. Do not call the number in the email signature. Go to the official company website you found on Google, find the phone number on their contact page, call that number and ask to speak to the person who emailed you. If the person doesn't exist or the website number doesn't work, you have your answer. It's a scam. This is the big one. If anyone asks you for visa fee, processing fee, agent fee, job placement fee, that's a scam. Most legitimate H-2B costs are handled through the employer process, not random payments to strangers. Scammers demand untraceable payments, wire transfers, Western Union, MoneyGram, gift cards, crypto. They'll ask you to read the numbers on the back. Once sent, the money is gone. The moment money is requested, the conversation is over. A legitimate employer invests in you. They don't charge you. Remember this rule. It protects you from the most common and devastating job scams. It's your non-negotiable line in the sand. Search the job title plus company name. If it's real, you'll usually see it mentioned in multiple places or sources. Look on major job boards and the company careers page. If it only exists in a message someone sent you, be careful. A real opportunity doesn't need to hide. Scammers will rush you. They'll say things like, send payment today, limited slots. You'll lose your chance. Real employers don't pressure you like that. If you feel pushed into a corner, slow down. A real employer welcomes diligence. A scammer resents it. If something feels off, it usually is. Google the company. Verify the email. Never pay up front. Check for public postings. Watch for pressure. And trust your gut. Check trusted sources like the US Department of Labor and USCIS. Check the description. I've listed trusted places where you can find real H-2B jobs, and follow this channel to work, earn, and succeed in the US. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Check the description for trusted links.